Welcome to another enlightening podcast from Be Awake, Aware, Alive.com, where we question everything. What is autophagy and how can it help me? By the Be Awake, Aware, Alive.com team. If you've been hearing the word autophagy thrown around in health circles lately, you might be wondering what it means and whether it's something you should care about. The short answer is yes. Autophagy is one of your body's most powerful built and healing mechanisms, and understanding it could be a game changer for your health. What exactly is autophagy? The word autophagy comes from two Greek words, autos, meaning self, and phagomai, meaning to eat. So literally, autophagy means self-eating. While that might sound alarming, it's actually a good thing. Think of autophagy as your body's cellular recycling system. It's a natural cleaning process where your cells break down old, damaged, or dysfunctional parts and repurpose the salvageable bits into new, usable cell components. As board-certified cardiologist Dr. Luisa Petre puts it, it is recycling and cleaning at the same time, just like hitting a reset button to your body. During autophagy, a membrane forms around material inside the cell that has been marked for disposal, then delivers it to the lysosome, a part of the cell filled with digestive enzymes that break it down. The resulting raw materials are then released back into the cell to build new parts. It's quality control for your cells, removing the clutter so they can function optimally. Why should you care about autophagy? Autophagy isn't just some trendy wellness concept. It's essential for your cells to survive and function properly. Here are some of the most compelling benefits. 1. Anti-aging and longevity. This is perhaps autophagy's most famous benefit. As we age, autophagy naturally declines, leading to a buildup of cellular junk. This accumulation contributes to the aging process itself. By supporting autophagy, you're essentially helping your body clear out the cellular debris that accelerates aging. Dr. Petre describes it as your body's way of turning the clock back and creating younger cells. 2. Brain health and neuroprotection. Autophagy helps remove toxic proteins from cells, the very type of proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Research also suggests that intermittent fasting, which stimulates autophagy, may support improved brain function in older adults. 3. Disease prevention. Impaired autophagy has been linked to a wide range of conditions, including metabolic diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. By keeping your cellular cleaning system running smoothly, you may reduce your risk of these chronic diseases. 4. Weight management and metabolism. Autophagy has been associated with improved metabolism, enhanced energy production, and weight loss, particularly targeting abdominal fat. How can you trigger autophagy? The key to inducing autophagy is mild stress, signaling to your cells that resources are scarce, which prompts them to recycle existing materials for survival. Here are the most effective ways. Fasting. Fasting is the most significant way to trigger autophagy. Prolonged fasting of more than 48 hours forces your body to repurpose cellular components to function. However, shorter fasting periods, such as intermittent fasting, can also stimulate the process. Even overnight sleep counts as a period of fasting, during which autophagy naturally occurs. Exercise. As little as 30 minutes of exercise can induce autophagy if skeletal and cardiac muscle tissue are stressed. Research in mice showed that 30 minutes of exercise increased autophagy levels by 40%. For humans, 60 minutes or more of moderate to vigorous aerobic exercise is recommended to stimulate autophagy. Diet. A ketogenic diet, high in fat and low in carbohydrates, puts your body into ketosis, which stimulates autophagy. Caloric restriction also forces cells into autophagy to compensate for lost nutrients. Heat and cold therapy. Saunas trigger a heat shock response that activates autophagy pathways. Cold water immersion creates stress that leads to shivering and increased metabolic activity, also activating autophagy. Certain foods and supplements. Some botanicals may boost autophagy, including curcumin from turmeric, resveratrol found in red grapes and berries. Coffee. Caffeine can activate autophagy through specific signaling pathways. Green tea particularly the catechin EGCG. A note of caution. While autophagy offers incredible potential benefits, it's important to approach it wisely. Research is still in early stages, and inducing autophagy through fasting isn't recommended for everyone, particularly if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, taking medications, or have a chronic condition. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your eating or exercise routine. The bottom line. Autophagy is your body's innate cellular cleanup crew, a built-in system for removing damaged parts and regenerating healthier cells. By incorporating practices like intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and stress management into your lifestyle, you can support this remarkable process and potentially enjoy benefits ranging from better brain health to increased longevity. Your body already knows how to heal itself. Autophagy is one of the most powerful ways it does exactly that. Don't forget to sign up to our mailing list, follow our social channels, donate if you're able, and question everything, with more free blogs and life-changing books at Be Awake, Aware, Alive.com. Thanks for listening to another enlightening podcast from Be Awake, Aware, Alive.com, where we question everything.